Brian, what if somebody wants to get wood, but they're concerned about potential repairs down the line? What do you tell them?
Repairs are easy. In the event of a solid wood floor, we can sand and finish the floor. It's a very simple procedure. It's been done for 100 years. Pretty straightforward. It's dusty, can be dusty. We minimize the dust to the point where you'd never know we were there when we're done at the end of the sanding. In the event of a engineered hardwood floor, in most cases you can touch up scratches or dents. However, if something happens and a plank needs to be replaced, we can literally remove one plank, insert a new one in the same spot, and you'd never know the repair was affected.